Welcome. In front of me is an HONOR X8A, and today I will show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So, to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen and then swipe down once again to extend the list of visible toggles. One of those toggles should be Do Not Disturb mode. For me it's visible right over here, and once you see yours somewhere here, you want to hold it the first time around. This will quickly take you to the settings where you can customize how the mode will function once enabled. So go over the options visible here, customize them. Once you've done so, you can close this and then find the toggle once more and tap on it. Now you do get this pop-up right here to select enable right here to basically enable it. It gives you a quick message. Now if you don't want this to show up ever again, you can click right here, don't remind me again, and then enable. And as you can see, there's a moon icon showing that the mode is right now active. Once you're done with it, you can turn it off by tapping on a toggle once more. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.